This is my old computer, just having a look at the games that I installed. So I have to update this one again. It would take hours. Let's have a look. Oh, there's an error. Oh, what happened? I'll leave it and I'll get back to it later. I'm just going to leave it. It looks like it's going to take a few minutes or hours to update the computer. And also it upgrade into 243, Division 1 Complexity Network 3, Oil 3241, Design 10 days Interlude Technology, First prize equals you, transmission of the program. It uses Wi-Fi TP-Link. So let's hope it works. Okay, thank you.